There we go. I finally have enough to upgrade the castle. Your Majesty.
What is it, peasant?
The boys and I got the eggs like you asked us to.
Ah, great work. You and the boys can have a day off.
Thank you, sir. Your Majesty, Your Majesty, Your Majesty!
What now? Red is here and he broke in. Then gather up all the men and stop him immediately! Yes, Your Majesty.
Alright, men, we're here to defend the door. Alrighty?
Sir, he's here.
Get him, boys!
Yes, let's go. What? Get him, boys! Is it Christmas already, guys?
No, it's not, Jake.
Yeah.
Where are the eggs?
How's that possible? You got here.
Same as always.
It still hurts.
Boys!
Freedom! Let's go!
I hate you.